So what's going on with BBIG? The price is still concise in our box that we talked about, below the $3. Right now we have a bit of jump and the price went down a bit. We're gonna consider right now the fundamental, the technical, everything what's going on with the market, because the market is kind of one day is up and one day is down. So it's kind of like short sellers just bought back, buying the dip, then they selling the next day. This is really crazy right now. So we're gonna see the strategy in order to make money, not just holding and wishing for the price to go up. So let's get right to it and see the signal for BBIG when will go up and where we're gonna see the $5 at least before everybody will see the squeeze for the 10 or the 20, whatever the price will be. However, let's talk realistically here. So if you want to hunt, you have to be realistic, okay? So if we go here around YouTube, my little group here, I put a lot of section here. So I put the heavily requested stock from you guys in here in this sector. So we have BBIG and we have AMC and the other stocks. So let's talk about BBIG. So you can see here clearly that the price went in the bearish momentum the moment that we broke the $3 here. Right now we're gravitating near this strongest support. And you can see it clearly around the $2.16. We have bought back the moment that we actually dipped around the 23rd of February. Right now we see a sign of like fighting back, because right now is 7% up. The volume is picking up around the 20 million. So right now what we should expect, because we have a test for the price. You see that for our candle, the moment that we open the market, we have a massive like buying pressure. We have a selling pressure when the market open. However, in the third hour, we have a really big test around this area. You know what's this area is the $2.66 around our level of resistance. So this is the first sign of turning point for BBIG if we actually overcome the $2.66 again, because this is psychological level. So if we overcome it here, we gonna see a turning point for BBIG to test before that we close the market this week around this level, where we're gonna see the first of kind of a bit of reversal here above the $3.15. This would be a turning point actually above the $3. And this is right now, if we overcome the $2.66, we wanted to make this our support, even if we got rejected, because this is normal, will happen for downtrending market around the $3.13. We need to hold above the $2.16 and never go back lower. So this will show us that we are ready ready to actually squeeze around the $3.80, because the $3.80 still is our squeeze area for BBIG to see the $5 and the $10. Right now is the signal, the first signal is holding above the $2.66 and testing the $3.13 around this area above this exponential average. You can see our exponential average actually coiled down, and this is kind of a big signal for the short seller is coming. You see this green or red or blue line that you can see it here. This is show us the short sellers actually weighed down on us. So this would be a turning point actually when our exponential average come in here. The moment that we broke it and we test the $3 and we become above this exponential average, this will be a signal for turning point for BBIG. Otherwise, if we didn't, because this will be a big signal for the short seller in control, if we never overcome the $2.66 and never close above it, we're gonna see the $2.16 again. Simple as possible. I'm trying to make it clear and straightforward because a lot of people talk about the 10, the 20. This is not realistic. If you want to see the realistic price, you have to consider a lot of factors, because in trading there's a lot of things come into play. There's a lot of people trading. First, there's a lot of news coming and going. We can actually predict what's going to happen tomorrow about the war going on with Russia and Ukraine, Chinese, American, and whatever. It's like things we can actually control, and they're like even the growth rate for the stock in general, even for a blue chip company, we can control. However, we can actually narrow down our probability with our technical to give us a bit of margin of error, if you want to call it, and see where the price will go around the area of turning point, which is right now, we talked about it, around this resistance area. If we close above it, this will be a turning point and show us that the momentum or buying pressure is coming up again. And confirming that we're holding above it, will confirm that we're not gonna visit the $2.16, which is the big signal of like the buyer are giving up and the short seller in control, and this would be like a done deal for the short seller or the squeeze. If we want to see the squeeze, we need to overcome this resistance, overcome the exponential average, and test the $3. 0.15 or the 13 above this level. So hopefully that was informative. If you want more in-depth analysis or exclusive content before the market open, to be ready before the market open, you can join us in Patreon, link comment section below, and Discord, and TradingView alert if you want straightforward alert for the short alert, not just video but short alert, where you take a profit, where the stop loss, where the turning point for stocks, for crypto, for everything you want. So without further ado, see you in the next update.